Introducing the 1969 Chevrolet Caprice, a true classic that combines timeless style with potential for a stunning project. This model features sought-after options like hidden headlights and bucket seats, making it an excellent candidate for an LS engine swap. With its sleek lines and vintage charm, this Caprice is a great foundation for a custom restoration. The odometer reads 111,111 miles, and the car is in good condition, powered by a gas engine and an automatic transmission. The clean title and desirable features make this a solid starting point for enthusiasts. With some care and dedication, this Caprice can be transformed into a head-turning masterpiece. Check the link for more details about this exciting opportunity. Introducing the 1956 Packard Patrician, a luxury sedan that exudes elegance from a bygone era. With only 32,000 miles on the odometer, this classic features a two-tone white and turquoise exterior, complemented by white wall tires and a fully lined trunk. The interior boasts new old-stock upholstery, retaining the original charm. Powered by a robust V8 engine and an automatic transmission, this sedan is a testament to the craftsmanship of its time. While it has undergone partial restoration, it offers an excellent base for collectors to complete the journey. Don't miss this chance to own a piece of automotive history. Check the link for more details. Introducing the 1979 Fiat 124 Spider 2000, a showroom-condition convertible with a remarkable history. This one-owner classic has been meticulously maintained, showcasing an incredible level of originality. From its crack-free dash to its pristine wood grain, every detail has been cared for. The four-cylinder engine delivers smooth performance, and the 5-speed manual transmission shifts seamlessly. Recent updates include a new battery, alternator, and rebuilt carburetor, making it road-ready. Complete with a clean California title, this convertible is perfect for long trips or casual drives. Check the link for more details on this extraordinary vehicle. Introducing the 1973 Chevrolet Corvette Stingray, a muscle car icon that stands as a testament to performance and style. Powered by a 350 Ci V8 engine and a 4-speed manual transmission, it delivers 350 ft-lbs of torque. The black and tan interior features T-tops for an exhilarating open-air experience. While it has front fiberglass damage, the car runs and drives, offering a solid foundation for restoration. With a clean title and timeless design, this Stingray is a fantastic opportunity for enthusiasts seeking a rewarding project. Check the link for more detail. Introducing the 1977 Ford Mustang II, a classic hatchback with T-tops that offer a nostalgic driving experience. This project car features a 6-cylinder engine paired with a 4-speed manual transmission. While the title is missing, this car includes all its original parts and requires restoration. The yellow exterior and vintage charm make it an excellent candidate for enthusiasts looking to revive a classic. Check the link for more details and embark on a rewarding restoration journey. Introducing the 1955 Pontiac Chieftain 860, rare 7-passenger station wagon with timeless appeal. This vintage vehicle features a V8 engine and a 4-speed automatic transmission. With its 12 windows and stock wagon seat springs, it offers a unique combination of practicality and style. While it requires restoration, including door glass, windshield, and floor patches, the car is a solid and salt-free example with 98% of its parts intact. Don't miss this chance to restore a piece of history. Check the link for more detail. Introducing the 1962 Studebaker Daytona, a two-door coupe that showcases classic design and engineering. This California car remains unrestored but retains its original charm, including the plates and a clean title. Powered by a V8 engine and an automatic transmission, it offers a solid platform for restoration. With minor blemishes and a strong structure, this Daytona is perfect for enthusiasts seeking a vintage project. Check the link for more details and make this piece of history. Introducing the 1970 Ford Maverick, a rust-free project car with a solid and straight body. Powered by a 200 engine paired with a C4 transmission, it offers a great foundation for restoration. The car includes side glass, a carpet kit, and rear seats needing upholstery. With its classic red exterior and clean title, this Maverick is an excellent starter project for enthusiasts. Check the link for more details. Introducing the 1979 Chevrolet Love, a rare long bed pickup with patina blue paint that adds character. This project truck comes with a 4-cylinder engine and automatic transmission. While it requires towing and adjustment to the carburetor and vacuum lines, the truck retains its original books and clean California title. This is a unique opportunity to restore a vintage pickup with all original parts. Check the link for more details. Introducing the 1973 Mercury Mountaineer, a clean and well-maintained classic coupe with a 400 V8 engine and only 65,000 miles. This driver-quality car features new tires, brake lines, fuel lines, and more, making it road-ready. The red exterior and comfortable interior make it a standout choice for classic car enthusiasts. With a clean title and recent updates, this Mountaineer offers exceptional value. Check the link for more details. Introducing the 1976 Oldsmobile Cutless Supreme, a classic coupe that blends vintage appeal with functionality. This model is powered by a reliable 350 rocket engine paired with a turbo transmission. With 87,000 miles on the odometer, it features a smooth ride thanks to its rear-wheel drive system. The blue exterior is complemented by original chrome and decals, all in good condition with no dents or broken windows. Modern upgrades include an alarm system, radio woofers, an amplifier, and 22-inch heavy-hitter rims with run-flat tires. This Cutless offers a unique combination of originality and contemporary enhancements. For more details, follow the provided link. Introducing the 1979 Volkswagen Super Beetle convertible, a charming and practical classic ready for restoration. The vehicle features a rebuilt engine with approximately 35,000 miles and a manual transmission. Recent updates include a new fuel tank, fuel lines, and tires. The sunny yellow exterior highlights its timeless design. Although it requires a new convertible top, interior refinishing, and minor bodywork. Despite its salvage title, this Beetle runs great and is an ideal project for vintage car enthusiasts. Follow the provided link for additional details. Next up, the iconic 1966 Lincoln Continental, a stunning two-door classic featuring a robust 462 V8 engine and automatic transmission. With a clean title and only minimal rust on the rear quarter panel, this vehicle is a solid foundation for restoration. The interior is clean and complete, with all exterior trim intact. Though the seller has not confirmed its running status, this Continental is a rare find for those seeking an elegant project car. Explore more details through the provided link. Introducing the 1963 Rambler Classic 660, an all-original, award-winning model with only 69,152 miles. This black beauty is powered by a 196 cubic inch inline six-cylinder engine with an automatic transmission. Despite its age, it starts and runs reliably, though a tune-up and new seat covers are recommended. The car retains its original spare tire and exhibits some rust from its Michigan origins. A Motor Trend Car of the Year winner, this Rambler is a piece of automotive history. Follow the link for more details. Next up is a rare 1967 Ford F-250, equipped with a 306-cylinder engine, a 4-speed manual transmission, and an 8-foot-long dump bed designed for the California Department of Forestry. With original paint and a clear title, this truck is registered as non-operational due to vandalism of the clutch linkage and dashboard gauges. This unique Ford is an excellent candidate for restoration. Discover more by clicking the provided